Hello traders, welcome back to my YouTube channel Gyanforexx. So in today's video, I will be telling you how to read a forex market news. So there are multiple types of high impact news as well as low impact news. So it is important to know how to read a news. Okay. So guys, if you are a forex trader, then this video is for you. Also guys, for beginners, I would never suggest you to trade during news time because the news are very manipulative and the news impacts are very huge. So for beginners, I would never recommend to trade during news time. Okay, so guys, let's get into our screen. Okay, so there are mainly four types of news which we consider. So first is NFP, second is CPI, third is FOMC, fourth is unemployment claims. Now unemployment claims are not considered to be a high impact news, but the top three, NFP, CPI and FOMC, are considered to be a very high impact news. And if you want to trade during news time, then you have to listen this very carefully. Now first of all, let's talk about NFP data. What is NFP in a forex trading? NFP data is released every month. NFP data is very high impact news, and the candles which are formed during the NFP are very high. Now the question comes, why NFP is so important? So let's understand the full form of NFP first. The full form of NFP is non-farm payroll. Every month a data is released showing how many people were employed compared to the previous month. Okay, now first of all, let's go on to our screen, and here you can see that this is the screenshot of a forex factory. Okay, now as you can see, today 8:30 there is a news, and if you see here this red box which are all red, so this shows that today is a news. Okay, now if you see here now let's understand how to read news. Okay, so first of all, this is the cursor where my pointer is pointed. This is the previous month data. Then if I scroll here, then this is the predicted 181k is the predicted, but the 263k one is the actual data released. Okay, now if you see here the comparison, previous month the data was negative, the actual data was the predicted data was lower, so the news would come negative, but the actual data which is released is more than the last month, so this is considered a good news. Now if the market is if the news is positive, then the market usually performs well. Now what happens if the data is positive, is more than the previous month? Then the rate of US dollar increases and the rate of gold decreases at that time, and US dollar will increase. But if the data is less than the previous month, then it is considered to be a bad news. The market may not perform as expected. So what happened? The gold rate becomes higher and the US dollar becomes weaker. Now this is how you read NFP data in forex market. So it was very simple, very easy. As I have told you all the things, how to read the news. If the news is positive, then the market performs good. If the news is negative, the market does not perform good. Okay, that's it for today's video, and the rest video, how to read FOMC and the other two FOMC and CPI, how to read that will be in the upcoming video. So make sure that you have subscribed my YouTube channel and also join my free Telegram community for regular updates. See you all in the next video. Thank you for watching.